Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how using JavaScript check if variable is false or not true. So we are going to identify a false value in JavaScript. Okay, let's get started. Let's create an index.html file, Control B to close the Explorer. Then I'm going to write HTML. Okay, let's close this by pressing Control Shift bracket. Here we go. I'm going to write an h1 and paste the topic that we are going to learn. Open this with live server. Here we go. So JavaScript check if variable value is false or not true. Let's define a script tag, and in the script tag I will enlist all the possible false value in JavaScript. Let's define them in individual variable. First one is undefined, a equals to undefined, then b equals to NaN, which is not a number. Notice both n's are in capital. Then in C I am going to define a empty variable. D, let's define null. E equals to 0, which is also considered as a false value, and then finally the false, which is truly a false value. Once we define all of this, we can write a simple statement like if not a. Okay, what it means? It means that a contains a false value, and we can write something like a colon plus a. Okay, here we are, and you can see if I'm going to inspect it and open the console, a is undefined. Why is it showing? Because a contains a false value and this not symbol is converting them into a true. Okay, just negate the value. So we are getting the result true. That's why it is showing this message over here. So you can see you can identify easily, but what about all the other variables? I'm going to paste the code here so it will make our life easier. And now you can see we have the code for B, C, D, E, and F. All the values are defined, and here B equals to not a number. Okay, C equals to also a empty string, D equals to null, E equals to 0, and F equals to false. So here we are. This is how you can check if a variable contains a false value or not true. Okay, I hope this will help you to understand and identify the false value clearly. Okay, thanks for watching this video.